Hi. I don't usually do videos on my weekends, primarily because I've just been doing a long training session. So you can see I've got some helmet hair, which was then followed by a visor. So then it became running hair. Um, but there's something I'm so grateful for that I wanted to share with you right away. And it is a way to use this new tool that everyone's been talking about. You've probably heard it mentioned in some something or another, which is Chat GPT. So first of all, it's free, and there is no, as far as I know, there's no risk to using it. What it does is it helps you create content, but I'm going to talk about this amazing way to use it that I discovered that I'm so excited about, which is you can use it to create a meal plan for yourself. Now, I have very specific requirements. So, it's very easy to type into ChatGPT, create a 1 day or 1 month or 1 week meal plan for me, right? But that's not a difficult thing to do. You can get a dozen of those on the internet with no problem, hundreds. However, if you would like to modify and improve and customize your meal plan, this is where the genius of ChatGPT comes in. So let me tell you that obviously I'm a wizard guru at this. I've got all of the best cookbooks. I've got this huge database of knowledge in my head. I've got years and years and years of experience doing this. And I did something in 60 seconds in, let's say, 2 minutes that would have easily taken me 30 minutes. And I'm an expert at it. So you can use ChatGPT to create very specific food programs for yourself. So let's say I want to lose weight. And so I might put into ChatGPT that I want a weight loss meal plan that is gluten-free. And it's going to give you some options back. Now, let me share with you what mine was, because I have this most persnickety requirement on the planet. So here's what I typed in yesterday, which was I would like a gluten-free, dairy-free Ironman training program for 1 week that has 100 grams of protein a day and 3,000 calories a day, that emphasizes traditional Chinese medicine, kidney strengthening foods. And it gave me back that list. And then I asked it to remove all raw foods and to remove all tofu. And then it gave me, and I asked it to use recipes from my favorite cookbook. My current favorite cookbook is called Run Fast, Eat Slow. And it is awesome for everyone from athletes to families. It's just got really fantastic, yummy recipes in it. I've got a few different cookbooks that are, like falling apart because they're my favorite over the years. And it did all of that. And then I said, please create a shopping list for me. And in 2 seconds, it did that. So what you need to create a ChatGPT login is just the same thing that you would create for any other login, and it's just going to need your email address and a password. It saves the conversations or the requests that you put in, so it's very easy to modify. So imagine that you are talking to an employee and you are coaching them on how to give you the information back that you want. It is incredibly, I'm laughing because then just for kicks, I created a couple of meal plans that were funny. One of them is a mom with a toddler in Shakespearean format, and the other was a dad in who's doing intermittent fasting, who's eating his meals at restaurants in Star Trek format. So I hope you have fun. I'm going to include those in the newsletter. If you don't get the newsletter, then please go to longevitywellnessclinic.com and sign up. And I'll be happy to share the wealth of information with you. You can also, if you would like to book a consult with me, I have a free meet and greet. So you can click the book now button on my website and sign up for that free meet and greet. Or if you're an existing client and you need to book your follow-up appointment, then you can do that from the book now button too. Just make sure that when you choose the follow-up appointment, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see a button that says returning client, and make sure you click that button, because that way I won't get duplicate use in my database. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope that it is useful to you. And if you wouldn't mind, I love seeing your comments for what you used Chat GPT for to make your meal plan, your specific meal plan, because what you type in the search string is really what it's all about. So please share. Thank you. I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark, and that's good medicine.